Ashley from Attitude Reviews, and today we're unboxing Misfits Market. This is one of my February boxes. I get a box every 2 weeks. I haven't done one of these in a long time because look at Henry. He's gotta be nosy. He's gotta know what's in there. So anyway, oh, he's so cute, little sweet baby. So if you're not familiar with this is an ugly produce subscription box. They rescue produce. There is a smaller box that's $22, or their bigger box, which I get for $35. I was making a makeup video. It's just swatches. I tried to get them off. I have to take a shower. I feel like it's changed, and I'm not into it as much. I'll be honest. They have now included all kinds of food in their marketplace. I really liked where it started as just fruits and vegetables. I don't feel like adding all this other stuff was necessary, and now like you can buy things like additional items. I wanted it what it was. I liked what it was. And I haven't been into it. Like, I feel like the prices have gone up. It doesn't feel the same to me. And I don't know. I haven't been in the mood. I'm thinking, honestly, once my referral bonuses are used up, which is not a few months away, I'm not gonna get it anymore, because I feel like if I joined a local co-op, I'd get the same experience, but I'd get it spending my money locally and not having to deal with, they're always like adding stuff, and I'm like, I think what I wanted was just the idea of it, the co-op, but sent to my door, and now it's not like, I don't feel like they're actually rescuing anything. Do you see what I'm saying? Does that make sense? I don't know. All right, so first up in my package is chard. I selected 2 bunches. We love this, just sauteed in a pan with some olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, super delicious. Has a slightly bitter taste, like maybe spinach, but a little more bitter, you know? So there's that, 2 of those. Then we have some green beans. I picked 2 packages of these. One of these would not be enough for my family for one night, so 2. Actually, these are pretty big. They might actually be. I'm not sure, but anyway, it doesn't matter. There's 2. So then we have some, see, look at this. This is $35. Does this look like enough to you guys? I just remember going through and pulling out thing after thing after thing at first, and now I just feel like it's not the same. I don't know. Anybody else feel that way? Anyway, so there are 3 of the, these look like American cucumbers. So 3 cucumbers. I love cucumbers. I love them. Just making a simple salad out of them, or adding them to a salad, or just eating them as a snack. My kids love them as well. All right, so next up is a spaghetti squash. If you've never had one of these, just cut it in half. Garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, put it in the oven, like cut it in half, and put this top up. The top's up, and it just comes out and is so yummy, 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 yummy. All right, we have 2 grapefruits. I get these because I don't eat breakfast anymore. But my daughter loves grapefruits, so I figure that's a nice breakfast for her. And because now she's a teenager, she tries to not eat breakfast all the time. We catch her. So, you know, I figure that's a good way to get her to actually eat. There are 4 lemons. We use these in dressings, marinades. Look, I picked them all up on my own. All sorts of stuff, so why not? And then again, 6 limes. Another thing that we use a lot of in my house, marinades, dressings, cilantro lime chicken, which is one of my favorites, pico de gallo, just anything like that we use limes for. My kids also eat them, like lemons and limes. I'll just eat them. Whole bag of these are, what are these called? Migniolas. I've never tried them, but I'm thinking my kids will love them. They love oranges and things like that, so not bad. A whole bag. 1 mango. My kids also love mangoes, so my husband does as well. And then chives. My husband told me, he said, whenever they have chives, please get them, because I love them. He likes to put them in stuff. So that's a nice item. So $35 for chives, a bag of oranges, a mango, spaghetti squash, 6 limes, 4 lemons, 3 cucumbers, 2 grapefruits, and 2 bags of green beans, and 2 things of chard. I mean, like, is it still a deal? I believe so. But is it as good as it used to be? No. And once they give it to you, you always want it. And I feel like it changed. It got really popular and then it lost the appeal to me. Maybe that's what it is. Anyway. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll link to Misfits Market with my referral down below. You'll get 25% off your first box. I'll get 25% off my next box. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.